everybody, and welcome back to Value Chain Minutes. We've been talking with Shane Hellsten about attribute-based planning. In some of the past sessions, we've talked about the basic concepts of attribute-based planning and back-to-back orders. We've talked about the prerequisites. What I'd like to concentrate on now is really let's talk about who are the industry candidates for this, or what the typical company needs are, et cetera. So, Shane, if you could explain that, that'd be very helpful.
Sure. Thanks, Andy, for having me again. So basically, if your company manufactures goods and you need to track key attributes that influence how you build, how you transfer, and how you procure across multiple levels of the supply chain and retain that genealogy, then you're a really good candidate for this. So that's a very typical type of make-to-order style manufacturing, and even some mixed modes manufacturer where you're partial, such as what I talked about earlier for postponement style manufacturing. We stock some components, but you make to order the rest. So conceptually, you can kind of think of it as similar to, project style manufacturing, but without the overhead of managing projects to support that type of fulfillment. And you can pick and choose where you want to stripe your supplies. So types of manufacturers typically would, your configure to order type of manufacturers. That's a lot of industrial manufacturing or consumer electronics. Those type of industries where you need to retain a lot of the customer specific attributes across those multiple levels of the supply chain.
All right. Well, thanks for that information. And the next question would be, well, what are the personas or what are the roles within those companies, and how would they utilize this solution as well?
Right. So normally that would be a production planner slash scheduler role. And sometimes companies intermix those responsibilities, and all the way down through procurement if you want to take it that far. So, which really allows those people that are running the business to make key decisions like prioritization, track manufacturing, and procurement, which allows them to have that visibility and really manage delivery dates for those particular orders in which they're fulfilling their customer orders on.
All right. Well, that's been very helpful, and I appreciate this session and your time today to talk about attribute-based planning and the unique value that Apps Associates brings to this session. So we look forward to everybody in the next session, and please remember to join our YouTube channel as well as leave any comments that you may have. Thanks a lot, everybody. Have a great day. Thanks, Shane.